Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. In this video I will say a few words about the Flask Adminator, a popular open source seed project provided by us. The product has been updated to the latest version of Adminator. The product is free, you can download it directly from GitHub. Let's review the product and see how it looks. Uh, as usual, the product comes with authentication and also an SQLite database. It's a super minimal seed project. The interface is great. You have a lot of pages. The UI component looks colorful and really nice. You can download the product uh, by accessing the product page or directly on GitHub. We have here the download link. In case anyone needs more modules or the Django version, feel free to access the generator, which is appseed /generator /adminator. In this page, anyone can use this amazing design and customize a future project. Let's generate a new project using Adminator design. I will use Flask as backend framework. I will I will cut the database layer and click the generate button. For newcomers, AppSeed is a platform that uses automation tools to transform the flat, liveless UI kits into full stack web applications. The live generator allows to build visually full stack products using starting from the design. The interface allows to choose the backend, choose the database types and the database type and the deployment layer, and get the code in less than 1 or 2 minutes. By default, the generator source code comes into archive, and also the system tries to upload the sources to the GitHub. This operation is not successful all the time because we generate a lot of stacks and projects, and from time to time GitHub suspend the upload and because they have some rate limiters. In this case, the process is successful. We can access GitHub and see and visualize the generated project. For instance, this one was generated 1 minute ago. Let's use the generated project and start it in a local environment. The README is populated with all the build instructions, and probably the most easier way to use the product is to use the Docker setup, which I will do it in this demonstration. Okay, I don't know if the commands are visible. I will download the project in my environment, switch inside the directory, and now start the application using the Docker setup shipped with the product. Okay, basically is this command here, docker compose app -- build. So just remember that I've generated the project that has no database, no authentication, so it's just a basic Flask project with the design integrated served by with all pages integrated into Jinja without any authentication layer. Okay, let's access the application. Okay, so the project is up and running. I can see here that the backend serves the pages. Okay, the logout is not working, of course, because I don't have any database. What we can do from this point, we can go back to the generator page, and let's generate a Flask application with a database. I will leave the defaults SQLite. Okay, so the system is not is accepting our request, and now we need to wait a little bit to get the source code. Okay, the zip archive is also available, but I will wait to access the GitHub repository just to check out the nominal case. As mentioned before, usually you can download the source code from GitHub. We prefer to do it like this because in case you want to access the project in a few days, the source code is saved on GitHub. You can fork, you can reference it later and update the code base. Okay, so the process was successful. Let's access the generated code. In this case, the application will have a database, we have a data authentication layer. Let's start a project in our local environment and see how it goes. Okay. I will use the same docker compose up command. We need to wait a little bit to allow to wait that docker pulls all the dependencies and build the project. This phase depends on your internet speed. So in case you have a decent internet connection, you should be able to start a project in less than 1 minute. Great. So the application is up and running. Let's access the application in the browser. This time the user is redirected to the login page. You can see here if I try to access the root of the project, the user is forced to authenticate. Of course, we don't have any users. We need to create a new one. You have a wrong user or password. Let's create a new one. Test. Now the user is successfully created. Let's use it here. And we have a simple Flask application, Flask dashboard that uses Adminator design, enhanced with session-based authentication layer. So guys, thanks for watching. In case you need support, just access AppSeed here. You have the resources tab. Go to support, chat with us on Discord, and tell us what you think. Thanks for watching. Feel free to use the generator app for free. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need an account. Just use the service and tell us if it was useful or not. Thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. I wish you all a super day. Bye.